Hello everyone, another week, another interesting topic. We'll talk about prevention. Uh, I hope you already understand somehow that prevention is very closely related to resilience and that prevention is also kind of related to empowerment. But what is really interesting, everybody knows that prevention is less expensive than intervention. That if you prevent the disease, if you prevent the violence, if you prevent drug abuse, if you prevent car accidents, whatever, the cost is much, much, much lower than in the case you have to later deal with the consequences of the event itself. But somehow, for some reasons, it is very difficult to convince the governments and policymakers that this is the case. People may have no problem with spending money on something what is already there, what is already causing the problem, but it's very difficult for them to spend money on something what is not existing, what is a possibility, what may happen, but it maybe also will not happen. So why to spend this money? So there is a lot of efforts all around the world to convince governments and policymakers that we should pay more attention to the issue of prevention. I intentionally selected AIDS as an example of preventive work, simply because it was the problem which was all around the world, in all the countries, and you will see examples in the videos which I posted in class materials, that we have similar type of epidemics over and again. We had Ebola problem, now we have Zika virus, and then whatever else may really happen, so it is really important to understand the mechanism of prevention and how can we work together with the society, with the community to prevent any kind of events that we would like to have in our communities. So I would like you also to read very carefully the topic about this article about the three types of prevention. Primary, secondary and tertiary prevention, because it's really important to understand the differences between them. So I hope you will enjoy this week's class materials and see you again next week.